Welcome! If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos and to support the channel. There's always more to explore in the universe. Something lurks in the farthest reaches of our solar system, beyond the frozen worlds of Pluto. A hidden force pulling at the orbits of distant objects, shifting them in ways that defy explanation. For decades, astronomers have searched for an answer, a missing piece to a cosmic puzzle stretching across billions of miles. And now, they may be closer than ever to uncovering the truth. Could there be an undiscovered planet? A massive, unseen world influencing our solar system from the shadows? Or is something even stranger at play? For centuries, astronomers believed our solar system was a well-mapped oasis in the vast emptiness of space, a collection of planets, moons, and asteroids orbiting in predictable harmony. But recent discoveries suggest something far more complex, something lurking just beyond the edge of what we can see. Strange gravitational anomalies hint at the presence of an unseen force, a massive object tugging at celestial bodies from the darkness. Could this be the long-theorized Planet X? Or is there an even more mysterious explanation waiting to be uncovered? Stay with us as we dive deep into one of the greatest cosmic mysteries of our time. It started as an anomaly, just a faint whisper in the data. Astronomers analyzing the orbits of icy bodies beyond Neptune noticed something strange. Their paths weren't random, nor were they following the precise gravitational influences of the known planets. Instead, they were being nudged, as if an unseen force was gently pulling them into alignment. At first, it was dismissed as a coincidence. Space is full of oddities, and minor deviations in orbits aren't uncommon. But as more objects were tracked, the pattern became undeniable. Their orbits tilted at the same peculiar angle, clustered in a way that defied randomness. It was as if an invisible hand was shaping their movements, something massive, lurking in the cold abyss beyond Pluto. Then came the breakthrough. In 2016, planetary scientists Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown at Caltech ran simulations to test an astonishing hypothesis. What if there was a hidden planet, a giant world, perhaps 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting far beyond what we've ever observed? Their calculations revealed that such a planet could perfectly explain the strange gravitational tug acting on these distant objects. It was an extraordinary claim, one that could rewrite our understanding of the solar system. But if Planet X was real, where was it? Picture a vast cosmic ocean, stretching beyond the familiar planets, where unseen, currents pull and twist the very fabric of space. That's what scientists were staring into when they found something that defied explanation. Using powerful simulations at Caltech, Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown modeled the gravitational interactions of the outer solar system, searching for clues hidden in the dance of distant celestial bodies. They fed thousands of orbital trajectories into supercomputers, adjusting parameters to see what could be shaping these mysterious movements. The results were staggering. Every scenario pointed to a massive, unseen planet lurking somewhere in the darkness. But simulations weren't enough. They needed real evidence. So astronomers turned to some of the world's most advanced observatories, like the Subaru telescope in Hawaii. With its massive mirror and cutting-edge imaging capabilities, Subaru could scan the vast, frigid expanse beyond Pluto in search of a faint, wandering light. Unlike stars, which remain fixed in the night sky, a planet would be moving, shifting, ever so slightly against the cosmic backdrop. Night after night, teams of scientists pored over data, searching for even the tiniest speck of light that could betray the presence of this elusive world. The challenge was immense. If Planet X existed, it was at least 20 times farther from the sun than Neptune, cloaked in near-total darkness. But they pressed on, knowing that if they could spot this ghostly wanderer, it would be one of the most significant discoveries in modern astronomy. Imagine tossing leaves into a slow-moving river. At first, they drift randomly, carried by the current. But then, something strange happens. A hidden whirlpool starts pulling them into a pattern, drawing them toward an unseen force. That's exactly what scientists are witnessing in the outer reaches of our solar system, except instead of water, it's gravity shaping the orbits of distant objects. Gravity is like an invisible web, stretching across space, influencing everything. in its reach. The 8 known planets follow predictable paths because their gravitational forces balance each other out. But the icy bodies beyond Neptune don't behave as expected. Their orbits are elongated, tilted, and mysteriously aligned, almost as if something massive is lurking nearby, pulling at them from the shadows. If Planet X exists, its gravity could be bending space itself, subtly shifting the orbits of these distant worlds over millions of years. Scientists estimate that this hidden giant, if real, is at least 10 times the mass of Earth and takes up to 20,000 years to complete a single orbit around the Sun. Its sheer distance makes it nearly impossible to see, but its gravitational fingerprint is unmistakable. And if this structure exists, the implications go beyond just finding a new planet. It could mean that our solar system is far more dynamic than we ever imagined, possibly shaped by interactions with the galaxy itself. Could there be more hidden worlds lurking in the darkness waiting to be discovered? And what does this mean for the history of our solar system? The answers may change everything we thought we knew. This isn't just another distant space rock. If Planet X is real, it could be the missing piece in the puzzle of our solar system's evolution. Its existence would force us to rethink everything we know about how planets form and how our cosmic neighborhood came to be. One theory suggests that Planet X isn't a native member of our solar system at all, but a rogue planet, an outsider, that was captured by the sun's gravity billions of years ago. If true, this would mean our solar system has interacted with unseen forces beyond our current understanding, possibly exchanging planets with the Milky Way like celestial driftwood. Even more unsettling is the possibility that we've only scratched the surface. Could there be other massive objects lurking undetected in the darkness? Some scientists speculate that Planet X might not be a planet at all, but something far stranger, perhaps even a primordial black hole, a relic from the early universe, bending space itself with its invisible mass. And if we confirm its existence, what comes next? Could we send a probe to explore this mysterious world? A dedicated space mission could take decades, but the potential for discovery is limitless. Finding Planet X might not just expand our maps, it could rewrite the very laws that govern our understanding of space. But here's the strangest part. Whatever is lurking beyond Pluto isn't just sitting still. It's moving. Slowly, steadily, like a ghostly giant shifting in the cosmic dark. And no one knows why. Some scientists believe this unseen force could be caught in an ancient, undetected orbit, slowly weaving through the farthest edges of our solar system. Others speculate that it might not be a planet at all, but something far more exotic, perhaps even a remnant of a cosmic event we have yet to understand. If this object is real, what else might be hiding in the depths of space? Is this a natural phenomenon, an undiscovered part of our own solar system's history? Or could it be something far stranger, something that challenges everything we think we know about the universe? The search for Planet X is far from over, and each new discovery brings us closer to uncovering the truth. But what do you think? Could this hidden world rewrite our understanding of space? Or is something even stranger shaping the outer edges of our solar system? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because our next video will take you even deeper into the unknown. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.